single girl summer. If you couldn't tell, my dresses are color coded. I'll show you. I'm back in New York. Vacation mode is officially over, which is the saddest thing I've ever said, ever. It's officially time to hit that reset button on my life and just like reset my body, my diet, my workout, my sleeping schedule, my apartment, unpack, do laundry, get my nails done, get a laser appointment. My vacation time is officially coming to an end, if you can't tell by my tan. She really did it. I'm already sad about losing it. It's like at its peak right now, and it's all just gonna go downhill from here because I'm back in the city. Coming back and flying into New York instead of LAX is just like such a weird feeling because I'm like, damn, like LA really is not home anymore. Like, I need to go back to New York. Like that's where my apartment is. Yeah, I'm excited for this video. Today we're gonna be unpacking my suitcase, putting all my shit away, doing laundry, come along for the ride, cleaning up my apartment, cleaning out my room. Also, I got this bike. It's a Swift bike that was delivered while I was away. So at some point I'm gonna have to like, you know, unbox it, and it's electric. So I need to figure that out. She is so cute. So let's get started. We have a lot to do, okay? Okay guys. First, it's time to unpack. Because I literally was on this 1 month trip, I feel like more than half the shit I need to just wash instead of put it back in my closet because everything's just dirty. I've been re-wearing a lot of stuff, but then some stuff I brought on this trip with me and never even touched once. My suitcase was overweight every time I would get on a new flight for nothing. Should I tell you like funny stories about all the things? This one I went on a date with. This one I went to a club in London. I'm gonna give you guys my laundry routine because I'm super passionate. Well, both passionate and particular about the way that I wash my clothes to make my clothes just like the softest, smell the best, and also just like try to keep them in good condition as I can. For that, you will need 3 piles, colors, lighter colors, the whites on this side, and then we're gonna have a darks pile. Sometimes I get confused though, because like, where does this go? You know, not as light as the lights, but it's not as dark as the darks. I just like confuse myself. For example, every summer I like to bring workout clothes with me, and every summer I tell myself, you know, I will put aside 20 minutes to do a workout every now and then I literally just bring them back untouched. So future Hailey, if you're watching this, just fucking leave your aloe shit at home. You're not gonna wear it, okay? You never work out. You're a fucking liar actress. This poster girl dress, the dresses that look like they would fit your American Girl doll, but then you could literally put Kim Kardashian with her fat ass in it and it looks great. Yeah, those are the poster girl dresses, but they're so like scandalous that every time I put one on, I'm like, there's no way I'm leaving the house looking like that. Oh my god, why is there the hugest stain on the back? I was riding in the back of this Italian man's scooter as he was driving me across Mykonos in the skirt. And I'm Turkish, he was Italian. We were basically Ekansu and Davide cruising this island. Honestly, my vacation was so fun. Hot single girl summer. Are you good now? This dress went on another date. Oh my god. I like to wash things on cold and delicate because I'm a crazy bitch.
Here, have an olive.
Thanks. If I was a fruit, I would be an olive.
Okay.
I don't even know anymore, mate. I don't. Dang, I can't open biscuit. That's fucked, mate. Got a can't open biscuit. Make plans without that. Got a condo up in Biscayne. 25 sitting on 25 mil. I'm in the club and I'm feeling myself. Okay, so this is kind of what it should look a little like. Like we got a little darks pile, which honestly I might wait because it's not that big of a pile. Everything in the middle, all the light stuff. What kind of channel is this turning into? This is now a cleaning channel. This is the detergent I use. I've talked about this before, but basically I don't like to use liquid. These are like eco-friendly, so they're biodegradable, so is the packaging and everything in between. They work really well. They look like little strips like this, and you kind of just like rip them apart, and then you pop them where you would put your detergent. And then I also use this softener. It's the Downy plant-based one, which is again like a better alternative than like the regular kind. Oop. Okay, fill it up. Cotton, normal. Goodbye. Why am I like ripped? Okay, now we're putting away the shoes that I brought with me, but I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do this because there is limited space for more shoes. This is my shoe closet. It goes back like 2 layers, if you couldn't tell. I honestly need to get rid of a lot of my shoes. I need to like sell them. Like I never wear my Yeezy Wave Runners. Okay, we're done with the shoes. And then I do this every time I'm back from vacation. Another thing about New York is you don't just put your suitcases away empty like that. It doesn't work like that. That's the winter coat that was in here before I started packing for the summer. So it's going back in there. All the bikinis are going back in their home. The bikini box. I like forgot my room. Like I forgot where I keep things. Like this morning I needed shorts and I was like, wait, where do I keep my shorts? Because I haven't really lived here long enough and I barely moved in when I left, and then I left for so long and now I'm like, where am I? You know? So now we do a little switcheroo. Also, certain things you shouldn't be drying in the dryer, like skins, for example. I don't like drying in the dryer because it like gets ugly. So I dumped basically everything else in my suitcase that I need to put away, and I'm gonna do that right now. I wore this dress to a sushi. Stefania Vidani. I wear their stuff a lot. It's like this European fashion house and they make like really unique pieces. Not a lot of people have, and it's not like the craziest price point. I wore this to Matsuhisa when we were in Mykonos. Follow me on Instagram to see the pictures because they turned out pretty cute. If you couldn't tell, my dresses are color coded. This goes with the greens. And then this is where I keep like more like fancier skirts and shorts. Here are my workout clothes that I never wore. My little Vanity Setup, and here's all the makeup that I use. Honestly, there's probably makeup in here that I should throw out at this point because like I've just been taking them from place to place to place. Let me show you. xoxo highlighter, my absolute favorite cream highlighter. Like look at that shit. Why did I bring this home? What? I had this with me this whole time? I'm like silly like that. And then what I do is I wash my makeup bag after every vacation so that it's clean for next time. Hygienics. And then when I'm back from vacation, I also like wash all my brushes. That's just like what I'm talking about when I say reset. It's nice when you're back from like running around to just come to something clean. So we'll do that together. Probably end up washing this too. And now that we've done makeup, I'm gonna put away all the jewelry. I have a really cute little jewelry setup going. I think I talked about it in one of my New York City moving vlogs where I like showed you guys how I organize my jewelry. But that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'll link these trays down below if you guys like want to get them. And then you just stack them on top of each other, and you can stack as many as you want. Perf. And then this is the little like jewelry travel case that I use. It's from this company called Popsuki, and their stuff's customizable, so it just said Hailey on it. It's so cute, and I've been using it for so long. But I feel like this would be like a great gift to get someone, like a little case like this for their jewelry or their makeup with their name on it. Another little like travel life hack is when you're packing your jewelry, I like to usually use things that are clear. It's like I want to be able to see my stuff. Well, if I had one more sunglass, it would not fit. And then this is where I keep all my necklaces. Tom actually built this for me. And there's a video on my channel. It's like DIY apartment decor, like something like that from last year. I think they also like have stuff like this on Etsy. Yeah. Okay, I'm actually gonna put this on. Wait, I did this way too tight. I'm like kind of choking myself. Crazy girl. I love Adidas. I never have to worry about like taking it off when I'm like going swimming and stuff. Recently have been liking mixing gold and silver and stuff. I'm being brave like that. Okay, taking a little tot break. Me and my tots. Delicious. When I'm home, I don't make breakfast. Guys, this has to be a hard reset. Like full on meal prep, get into a routine, like pre-prepare my ginger shots in the morning. Like that's what I'm talking about. Okay, we're gonna do this together. Right now, let's focus on unpacking, getting the apartment clear and done, whatever. I need to get back on track. You hold me accountable, I hold you accountable. I'm gonna finish these now. Oh no, not my undies. We're moving on. We're conquering the bathroom now. What takes up the most? Is this annoying you? Hey. How you doing? What takes the most amount of space in my suitcases are usually my toiletry bags. This is literally just like products that I have to travel with. And my mom is always like, do you really need all of those products? Are you really using all of it? And I literally am. I just must bring my entire bathroom with me. But what I've been doing recently is a lot of my favorite products, I just get them in travel size. I just only keep them in my little travel bag. I could even like check it in if I wanted to. So let's put everything. So I have this box just full of like little tiny bags and like little tiny pouches and stuff. I like to use them when I'm like traveling for like jewelry and stuff. Also, I fucking move like 4 times a year, so it comes in handy when I have to like move a lot of shit around. Since I unpacked everything, and now I'm gonna put everything back in this box. The thing is, I call myself a hoarder and then I'll get rid of a bunch of stuff, and then literally 2 days later, I'll literally like need the most random thing that I threw out that I'd been holding on to for like 3 years. That's why I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm not a hoarder. You just never know when you need something. When I'm traveling, I bring 17 pairs of sunglasses. Like, I don't want them to be breaking. So yeah, I'm gonna keep 17 extra cases of sunglasses in this box for when I need it. Like, I literally just put away so many. Whatever, go on my Depop, okay? Buy some. So I travel with a lot of electronics, and I went to a bunch of different countries this year, so I also had to bring in like a bunch of adapters. It's time to put all this shit away. You guys are gonna be so proud of me. Like I said, me and Nil are kind of crazy about organization. So we have these 2 like drawer sets from IKEA that we hold everything in. Let me show you. So this is the tech drawer. Actually, there's another one. We have 2 tech drawers, and believe it or not, I have all of these organized into the type of cable and like whatever kind of gadget they are. There's actually more. We just keep all our adapters here. So, this is my bike. I'm very excited to have her. It's actually like a collab project between this company called Cross, obviously an electric, oh, that wasn't very obvious, but it's an electric bike and it's a beach cruiser. No driving here, not in this household. Let's unbox it. It goes up to 20 miles per hour, which is kind of fast. I have to like charge it. I wonder if I could ride it as not an electric bike and just like a regular bike. You know, what if one day I wanted to work the legs or something? This is so like profesh. So I wonder how this is gonna work. Cause like with the city bike, you bike somewhere and then you just leave it there, you know? You like find a city bike spot and they have them all over the city. But like, this is my bike, you know? Like I can't, can I just park it in the city bike ones? Obviously not. I can't just like leave it anywhere. What does it say on it? Support your friends. Fuck yeah. We do have somewhere to like park your bike downstairs in my building. I wonder if they have any plugs there because, well, I guess I charge the battery in my house and then I just, it's not a Tesla, you know. Last time I had a bike was in Santa Barbara and I was in love with my bike. My first month of college, I had this shitty ass bike that my mom got me from Walmart. Yeah, ask me how that one went. I actually literally don't even know where it went. That one also got stolen at some point. And I forgot. Guys, why do I look so ripped in this entire video? I'll have a bike now. Well, there you go. Should I take it around for a little ride in my apartment? Welcome to the opening ceremony.